Ever since the 4-hour workweek was released, everyone seems to have the same goal: to wake up in the morning, open their laptop, and look at something like this: passive income. That's the dream, right? Make money while you sleep. For 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. The idea behind it is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying thanks to your marketing. It's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make money, then you can promote a product that you feel has value and earn an income from it as an affiliate marketer. I've talked a little about it before, but today I want to dive deeper into what affiliate marketing actually is, what sides there are to it, and how to get started. So, let's dive into my affiliate marketing guide. Ready? Definitions. The best definition of what affiliate marketing is can be found on Pat Flynn's Smart Passive Income. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make.